Meaning of flawlessly.
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 Flawlessly. The word flawlessly means to do something perfectly, without any mistakes or errors. It implies that the task has been executed with great precision and attention to detail, resulting in a flawless outcome. When a task is completed flawlessly, it means that there are no flaws or imperfections in the end result. This could refer to anything from a perfectly executed dance routine to a seamless presentation. In essence, to achieve a flawless outcome is to perform with excellence and to produce a final product that is without fault.